guys who wanna get in the easy, who wanna get first one to say the nicest comment, I'm gonna get them here. I'm gonna put them here and do it the video, and I will do the 4 so you can get this the rate my outfit look. That's so. Bye guys.